Dude, we literally played them inside the fucking choke, man. They get baited 3 times. How the fuck we can't wipe them? Holy shit. Actually, 2 times. Listen, comes out.
East side.
Shots out. Yeah, just walks out on me. Kamis now. Just keep walking.
Northeast mo.
Got you. Listen, engage in my W. Walk. J now, give me J now. Listen, engage in my W. Listen. Hold on. Get the defense. Listen, the Dimos. On me. Double in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Tapos. Nash it. Keep walking is now. Keep walking is. Southeast. Hold him to south side. Listen, border against the side. Engage my W again. Listen, hold down. Come southeast. To full rest. Yo, listen, come southeast. Nice. Dimos was at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Western now. Listen. Come. Yo, listen. Actually, comes out. We're gonna rotate a bit. Comes out. Walks out to me. Walks out. Boys, so forget to pop your potions, man. Listen, walks out to me. Walks out, walk west, come west.
South.
Yeah, comes out. Engage this guy in 3, 2, 1. Engage on this guy. Full engage on this guy. And you come. Kill the guy and come. Kill this guy and come. Yeah, come. Just finish the guy. Yo, come. Walk me. Listen. Yo, play offensive in the inside. Just play offensive in the inside. Just keep walking. Listen. Play offensive now. My death tanks, you need to stop them, okay? Listen, just walk. Just keep walking. Just keep walking east. Keep walking east. Keep walking east. Yeah, got you. Just keep walking. Kiss the bus. Just keep walking. Listen. Give me J now. Hold him in the choke. Notice it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice now. Fully get your this. Listen, keep walking east. Just keep walking east. Just keep walking east. Keep walking east. Get a turn. Listen, demons. Just walk into them. Listen, we're gonna watch up them soon. Play offensive now. Full CC, this guy. Listen, on the west side, okay, on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South to side on me. One shot now.
Nice.
No, keep walking northeast. Just keep walking northeast. Don't stay. Keep walking northeast. Defense. Nice defense. Listen. Kill against the side. Come northeast. Come. Keep walking east. Southeast by the bridge. Southeast by the water bridge. You finish the guys aside. Finish the guys aside. Now keep walking. If you can't see me, mount up. Listen, comes out now. If you can't see me, mount up. Walks out. Just walks out. Listen, can someone give me fucking food? Like any? I need local done food. Listen, walks out to me. Do you have any foods? Anything? But omelette plain or something? Wala? Just keep walking.
Wala.
Gago na mati sa pakyugar. Listen, kay walk.
Follow the crown.
Chingus pa ba rin ba kalaban natin?
Yeah, we're just clearing the fucking...
Ayun na sila.
Yo, come here. Yo, just engage my W, okay? Just engage my...
Haba tail.
Holy shit, come back. Just come back. Come back. Hold on me.
Sila.
Yeah. Boys, listen, if I say engage my W, you need to engage my W.
Wait.
Listen.
Sa'yo na
Gets.
to.
Hold on, my ping. What's up, baby? Hold on.
Food.
Listen, come southeast. Thank you.
One screen away sa'yo, Wes.
West side, okay, got you. Listen, come here to us. We're gonna take the fight by the road. Listen, don't engage my E, okay? Don't engage my E. Listen, come north side. Don't go south. Come here. You know, be careful the waypoint. I mean, the dungeon. Hold my ping. Just keep walking like this. Listen, if you see infinity blade, okay? Just walk for now. Walk for now. Yo, Riosi. Yo, listen, engage my E again. I engage my W. Hold. Listen, come back. Full come back. Read the demons now. Yo, listen, west side again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest side. Which is the top. Then you walk north. Just kite north in the hill. Listen, this time engage my E, okay? Engage my E.
Heal.
Heal up. Yes, you can. Just the whistle. Listen, walk. Walk. Okay, come southeast. Yeah, boys. Pop your boat southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop your boat southeast. Matap.
Nirarat sila?
Inang bedrock yan.
Yo, guys, stay away from the blob. When it comes out. Yeah, just zone it. Wait. GG boys. We take the win. Comes out first. If you have loots, okay.
May blob.
Oh, side quest.
What's this?
Layo ko.
Just come to me. It's okay, we're gonna wrap around if we have an outlaw. We're gonna fight this blob. Mount up. Papaya pokpok.
Ma?
Yo, listen. Come to me. Yo, listen. Come to me. Dismount. Smart up, me. Come southeast.
Nag-engage.
Come this notice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just sit shallow on the choke. Just sit shallow on the choke and commit. Come back. Southwest. Border against the side. This border against the side. Full ball this guy. Nice shit. Come east now. Hold on my ping. Yo, walk is. Yo, listen. Walk. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch out the back.
No.
Nice shit. Keep walking southeast now. Keep walking southeast. Yo, finish against the side. Yo, full chase.
Pero kung bilis.
Ano yung mga cheater?
Oo.
Level C, T6.
Maganda din. Gar, at least limited rigger sila, Gar.
Papasukin namin kayo dyan.
Gago ito. Infernal na ano.
Nice shit, boys. Yo, listen. Come north. Yo, ping if you're still chasing. Hold my ping. Fully group in my ping, please. I need everyone on my ping. I need everyone on me. Then mount up. We have 1 minute outlaw. We're gonna rotate, okay? We're gonna wrap around. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. We're waiting for outlook. Come southeast.
Another blow.
Kailan?
Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. See, it's really easy to fucking rotate anywhere if you boys just listen to my calls, man. Just one fucking call and we move and it's easy. And just stick together.
Ayaw ko yung long choke kanina, Vince, no?
Binibit ko nga sila doon. Ang natin pa sila na wipe. Ilang engage na tayo doon? Dalawa.
Kaya nga.
Nabibit sila doon eh. Ang taas ng choke na tatakbuhan nila eh. Tapos alam ko naman, madali natin sila i-control kasi we have free skill robes, we have free skill shits, we have night armors. We have everything that we can literally kite them in a choke. The thing is, the return engage, I don't know. But at least, well played, boys. It was a good shit for today. DPS kinda a little bit late, but it's getting better when you compare it for a few days. It's really good. It's getting better. Next time, I really need instant damage, right? Like fucking one shot. When I say engage, just fucking boom, and then done. We can kite back. That's how you're gonna make a play when you're fucking kite and clap. Like literally dump and kite. Dump and kite, dump and kite. To do that shit, we really need an instant fucking damage, and to do that, you need fucking positioning, you need